What go on, boys? What the pre? Me have something special for y'all today. Them hot girl are just touched down from overseas just to ride upon BigFoot Raft. But me know say, the bamboo them really curious about. And me not talking about lumber. Look on the screen upon the raft. Skin smooth like coconut jelly. Smile sweet like a roast butter fish stuffed with okra. I'm about to rub down this catty with river mud. All natural minerals from deep in a soil. Me I rub it slow, firm deep in the skin. Cause I hope it lead to a happy ending. And me not talk about no spa service either. If me do this right, she have to tip me twice. One for the service and one for the bamboo pressure me provide on the return trip. Real talk, them there on vacation, but me there on the job to create memory and possibly raise blood pressure. Me no mean for brag, but BigFoot bamboo no regular. Me say, we're gonna prove that today. This is the famous limestone, good for your skin. Would you like a massage?